Welcome everyone to the 27th episode of our talk show, World Debates Weekly. Today, we'll be discussing on the controversial issue of inserting human genes into chicken embryos to produce cancer-fighting proteins. Today, I'm very honoured to have with us Dr. Harry Griffin, head of the Roslin Institute, to share with us more.
Thank you, Ryan. Now, what we have done at the Roslin Institute is artificially insert the human genes into a chicken embryo using a virus. Now what this does is hastens and cheapens the process of making cancer-fighting drugs, making cancer-fighting drugs more available to everyone. Now since these drugs will only be fed to cancer patients, I do not foresee any problem with them whatsoever.
Indeed, as these drugs will only be fed to cancer patients, will they be safe? However, there are those who do not.
The genome is the most basic, most fundamental building block of human life. But scientists in Roslin Institute are trying to take away this very precious gift that is given to us, put it into chickens, and somehow try to return it in the name of noble causes like fighting cancer and diabetes. But we say that this fundamentally degrades our human uniqueness, because when they do so, we fundamentally lose our ability to relate to ourselves as part of a bigger human community. We lose our identity as human beings.
Last time I could trust the food that the government was putting on our shelves. But now, whenever I go to the supermarket to purchase a carton of eggs, it's just a paranoia that I am putting myself and my children into danger with some kind of gene mutation or some kind of cancer drug protein. Well, I do not understand what these scientists are trying to do, What's the message you're trying to bring across? What all these GM eggs serve is to only blur the line between everyday food and our bottled medicine.
It's ridiculous what they're feeding us. I'm a cancer patient and I've been vegetarian all my life. There ain't no way I'm gonna make me eat those drugs made from chicken egg. What they're doing here, inserting human genes in chicken eggs and forcing us to eat them. It's as good as cannibalism. It's disgusting. How can they do
Hearing
this?
all these negative comments about your product, don't you think that it's a little bit not very well received?
No comment.